It was Stuart Jones, Aberystwyth Town captain. How pleased you are after being 3-1 down to come back to draw 3-all?
I suppose, yeah, that's one way of looking at it at the end. I certainly don't feel pleased at the moment, to be honest. It's pretty despondent in the change room, to tell you the truth. You know, we came here today pretty much knowing that we had to get a victory if we were to look at that second place, and we failed to do that. So yeah, in the end, I suppose we 3-1 down, we've taken a point, but that wasn't what we came here for today, so it's disappointing, really.
Newtown are saying we've been very lucky to get the draw, or would you class it as hard work's paid off in the end?
I think on reflection of the game itself, I think with their goals they will come from our mistakes. So I would say, you know, 3-all was probably thereabouts a fair result. I certainly didn't feel they were a better side than we were, but you could argue that with our 2 late goals, I suppose, yeah, you know, it took time. Our game is 90 minutes long, and that's what we did in the end. You know, we could come out here with a draw.
What went through your head at 3-1 down with about 50 minutes to go?
How we 3-1 down. No, that's true. I just couldn't believe how we found ourselves 3-1 down. We didn't start the game particularly well in the first half. Then we got into it through that middle period in the first half. I thought we played some really good stuff, probably some of the best stuff we played here for a while. And I thought we deserved to take the lead. And then after that, coming out for the second half, we felt confident that we'd go on and get that win. So to find ourselves 3-1 down was pretty shocking.
We had Chris Venables back in the team after suspension. How great is it to have him back in?
Yeah, he's a big player for us, so you know, he obviously give all the boys a lift. You see his name on the team sheet, and it'll naturally give all the boys a lift, and I'm sure it, you know, put a few shakes into their side. But you know, the boys that have filled in for him while he's been off, you know, we've still got goals within the squad. You know, while he's been off, we scored 3, we scored 2. So we haven't really, as such, missed his goals, but his actual, you know, the name and what he's doing at the moment, obviously he's a big influence on us. So yeah, nice to have him back.
And we had Mike Lewis behind you, pulling off some fantastic saves to keep us in the game.
Yeah, I think it's well documented. Mike's a real good shot stopper. I think he'll feel quite hurt by some of the goals that they scored today. I think with him coming for the cross and dropping in, that sort of thing. So he's probably gone away from here hurting, even though, like you say, yeah, he did pull off some really good saves.
Next week we've got Airbus at home, live on TV.
It's massive now, isn't it? You know, we have to beat Airbus. There is no other result that we can take out of next week's game. The fact that TV cameras there, I suppose, is an added bonus. There is a lot riding on the game. But yeah, we go there, we have to win. It's simple as that. There is no other outcome that we can take from that game. If we're to achieve second place, which is still what we want to do, that's what we've got to get on Saturday.
Is there added determination to win now after the loss on penalties and the cool last minute?
I don't think so. It's just another game. I mean, we've had 4 games against them this year, so you could take any one of them. They've all been tight. We could argue our case that we feel aggrieved at all of them, and likewise with them. So no, it's just another game that we have to win. It's simple as that.